Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put texture to text in Photoshop CS6. Step 1. Select the text. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, erase layer. Then go to filter tab, click oil paint and see this oil paint. See this or change it, scale or texture. Okay. Directions, shine. Click OK. And step 2, click again text. Go to FX, pattern and click edit your texture. Click your favorite texture. Okay. Scale, opacity and scale. Follow this, change it. Then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.